Unlocking Futures, a day to remember at Ratnanidhi. On 21st December, our Babalnath Library and Science Center came alive with a transformative event, a day dedicated to financial literacy for young minds. 11 schools participated, represented by their teachers, students, and principals. These included schools where Ratnanidhi has already been providing meals and financial literacy sessions, further cementing our mission to uplift communities through holistic education. The day began with a powerful address by Shri Nitin Khanapurkar, a dedicated board member of Ratnanidhi. He spoke passionately about the urgent need to introduce financial literacy programs in schools. Teaching money management at a young age, he emphasized, isn't just about handling money, it's about building life skills that last a lifetime. Dr. Svetlana, our esteemed curriculum designer and SEBI Smart Trainer, unveiled the thoughtfully crafted 18-session program. Filled with games, puzzles, and role-playing exercises, this curriculum is designed not only to teach but to ensure deep retention and long-term impact. She explained why a 3-month period is essential to instill these lessons, ensuring that knowledge is absorbed and applied effectively. The highlight of the day: presentations by the students themselves.
We are presenting here some sessions that we have learned of financial literacy. I am introducing myself, Simran Raksal. She is Alima Khan, she is Prachi Deve, he is Abdul Rahman Qureshi, he is Rohit Madhuvan, and he is Hussain Sachi. They are my friends and they are explaining you some sessions that we have learned.
Income generation is the process of making money. Income can be generated by any source and to any time. Any benefit which we get is passive income. There are mainly two types of income. You know them? Active income and passive.
एक म्यूचुअल डील होना चाहिए और हमारे स्कूल में हमने गेम्स भी खेले हैं। सबको हर एक चीज गेम के लिए ग्रुप डिवाइडेड किए, हमने गेम खेला और हमने सिखाया। उसमें बहुत लोगों के साथ फेयर और कॉन्फ्रेंस हुआ और डील अच्छे से मिली थी। तो इसके लिए म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है।
These young learners shared their insights and experiences from the sessions they had attended, showcasing their understanding of key concepts in a way that was both heartwarming and inspiring. Principals and teachers, some of whom have worked with Ratnanidhi for over 15 years, shared touching testimonials about their experiences. Many expressed gratitude for how Ratnanidhi's initiatives have positively impacted their schools, urging us to extend the financial literacy program to even more students. The session concluded with an emotional vote of thanks from our trustee, Rajiv Mehta, and a resounding commitment from all present to expand the program. The demand? To bring this transformative initiative to 1,500 children in the next academic year. Your moment to make a difference. This isn't just a program, it's a movement. A movement to empower the next generation to dream big, plan wisely, and live with confidence. And we need passionate volunteers like you to make it happen. Join hands with us at Ratnanidhi. Your time, your skills, and your heart can change a child's future. Every great journey begins with one step. Take yours today. Visit ratnanidhi.org to explore how you can get involved. Cannot volunteer but want to support? A small donation can help us reach more children. Click below to give the gift of knowledge.